right, Diabound. I think it's about time we showed off your newest ability. Illusionary Shockwave! Diabound steals the abilities of the enemies it defeats. That last attack came courtesy of Mahal.
That can't be! Slifer! Lightning Blast! Yes!
Sorry, Pharaoh, but you're not in the clear just yet. Now! No! You'll pay for that!
You've forgotten who you're dealing with!
And you seem to have forgotten that this battle isn't one of your little card tournaments, Pharaoh. And as you're about to find out, in this arena I have the advantage. Diabound, destroy the city!
Look! In the sky! What is that thing? One thing! There's nothing there!
Oh, no!
Make way for His Majesty!
Stop! This fight is between you and me!
Very well. Then it's time to decide. Continue to fight me or save your people!
I think that red monster just saved us. Quick, run!
Slifer, protect these villagers!
How noble of you to use your monster as a shield to save these fools! But how much abuse can Slifer endure? I guess we'll see. Looks like a dead end, Pharaoh. So much for rescuing those